Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back. Today we're going to do the fall 2019 FabFitFun box. And I get to get that free because I'm a partner and it's all because of you. Because of you, I get to get this for free. And so thank you. Without you guys, well, this wouldn't even exist. If you've been under a rock or you've just for some reason never heard of FabFitFun, well, then you're lucky. I'm going to tell you all about it, right? So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box full of lifestyle, beauty, skincare, all kinds of different products that are curated just for you. It's like your birthday 4 times a year, except you don't have to get older. I love it. There are 2 memberships that you can get with FabFitFun. One is annual, and you get extra perks. You get things faster if you become an annual member. Then you've got your quarterly subscription. It's $49 and some change, and you can get $10 off that even by using my code to sign up. Now, the thing about that is, though, that the box has always got at least $200 worth of stuff in it. And I personally have been able to score upwards of $400 in my $49 box. As always, I have already used this stuff, so I am not just unboxing it for you. I actually know a little bit about the products that are inside. On the cover this time is Meghan Trainor. I love Meghan Trainor, don't you? I love her music. She's such a beautiful girl. Inside and out. I really love her. And she has teamed up with City of Hope, which is all about curing cancer and all kinds of other illnesses. This magazine, in my opinion, just keeps getting better. It's like a real magazine. It's not just showing you, what you've got in your box, but there's all kinds of fun things in here that you can discover. In addition to the magazine, when you first open, is also an $80 coupon for HelloFresh if you want to get started on that. So I'm not going to tell you all about this magazine. I'm going to jump right into the products because that's what you came to hear about, right? I thought so. In the first set of choices, then, you have the choice between a plush scarf for $75, Anthropology travel yoga mat for $50, the thing I got, which we'll come back to, a Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit for $89, and that's right there. And here's the yoga mat down here in the corner. Or you could choose the mystery item, which is guaranteed to be upwards of $42. What I got, though, was the Amica Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler for $80. It comes in this coral velvet bag, and I have not used it. The reason that this has not been used is because I don't use any tools on my hair at all. I wash my hair. I put stuff in it, I let it air dry, and then I just pull at it and spray with hairspray. I don't use any kind of tools. 95% of the time I don't even use a blow dryer. But I am happy to have this for either a gift for someone else, my sister perhaps. But I'll tell you what, I doubt very seriously it will be me who uses it because I am scared to death to put heat on my hair. I'm afraid that I'll hurt it. And I quite love my hair, so... However, I do know this brand name, and I believe that this is a really good straightener. The second set of choices then starts with the Kate Spade lunch tote for $30, the Nassif MD, and those are $45. And then it says cut from the cloth slim striped wallet for $60, and that's up here. I wish I could have obtained nice images for you guys to look at, or at least been able to present them to you in a way different than showing you this book. But those days are over. And the last choice was the twine cheese board with plate. And so that's this right here. So I got the Nassif MD pads. They're detox pad, complexion perfect pads, and there's 60 inside with alpha beta hydroxy. And yeah, the ingredients are on the back. There's perfume in here. I can smell it. As soon as I open it, I can smell it. It's really strong. The pads themselves are a nice thickness and they are really wet. It is mild because I have used it morning and night and I've not had a problem. I am not going to continue to use these pads though because I cannot stand the smell of the fragrance that's in here. And I'm not really sure why it's in there. But if you like convenience and the smell, of the perfume in here and the thought of the perfume going on your skin twice a day doesn't bother you, these are very good quality pads and they're very moist. The third set of choices starts down here. It is the Better Skin Lava Magic for $32. Then you have the Bobble Bar Ear Crawlers, which I have in for $34. The third choice is Cosmic Pure C, which is right there. And this is a powdered vitamin C that you can mix up. And that sells for $54. So as I said, I got the crawlers. And here's the deal. These crawlers are beautiful, but you need to have the right kind of ear to wear these. I can wear them for short periods of time, but my ears are different. This ear is shaped just a little bit different than this one. So while it fits this ear perfect, this one here, it's constantly trying to fall down. So I kind of have to move it up inside my ear. If you have a very small ear, I don't think these crawlers are going to work very well for you. Crawler, the back is like this, okay? Now, in order to get that in your ear and around, you have to pull it out, or I do anyway. I have to pull this out a little bit, right? And then you come up to the ear hole and you put it in. And now this, I suppose you could wear it like that. Then what you do is you twist it up on your ear and it's going to fall back down if you don't pinch the back in again. The problem is I kind of have to look in a mirror to see. You got to get this back part up along with the crawler itself. And then once you've got it up there, you can pinch it closed and it will stay. I really like them. I love the look of them. I do wonder though, how long am I going to have these earrings constantly pulling it out and squeezing it in order to get it in my ear? Because I simply cannot get it in the hole of my ear any other way. It really depends on the size of your ear and where your ear holes are. But I think they look really pretty. But as you can see, because of this ear being shaped just a little different than this ear, notice how it lays different on this ear than this ear. So there you go. I'm just not uniform. The fourth set of choices starts with this Apari Dual Salt and Pepper Shaker, and that sells for $21.95. Or you could choose the After Spa Towel for your head, and that's going to be one of those microfiber towels that, you know, is really good for drying your hair. It's $18. You could choose the Trusty Mini Eye Essentials set of 4. I'll show you in just a second. That's $48. Or the Skin Involved Body Boost Gel, which sells for $45. And I'm trying to find where that is. I don't see it, but that's not the one I got. So let's talk about the one I got. So these are the Trusty Mini. I tried to put them back in here. I've been using them all week, and I think I could tell you a little about them. Now, I wouldn't pay $45 for the mini. If I were going to buy Trusty, I think I would go ahead and get the full size. Unless you just want to try it to see if you like it. And really, kinda, that's why it's so good to get the FabFitFun boxes, because you get to try stuff. And I've done my look with it today. Okay, so the first one is a brow pencil. And see, these are like this now. When I first got it out, I took it and I went like this to swatch it and was like, what? That's plastic. The product is actually in there. The cap just looks like it's the crayon. This is your brow pencil, and it's one of the triangular ones. I did do my brows with it today. So this is excellent for the girl on the go. This is the eyeliner, the little one is, and I've got that in my waterline, my tight line. All of the Trusty stuff is super, super creamy. So it goes in real easy. Today I did have problems with my eye look and spreading it out, but it was only because I, at the last minute, decided to do this. I went over my eyelids with primer in Wet n Wild Brulee, so it had powder on my lids when I went in with this. If you just take the crayons to your eyelids, they blend like a dream that way. And I know because I've been wearing them all week. I mean, you just barely, I mean, I'm just barely touching. That is just so creamy, but you don't get much. And like I said, I have been using it all week, but that's it. It doesn't take much, so I haven't used much of it. And then, of course, you know, this would be the highlight shade. These are really quick one and dones. So if you are in a hurry to get your makeup done, you could even, I'm not condoning doing this, but you could do this at a stoplight. That's how easy it is. I'm serious. So let's say you're running late for work, you're really super busy, you just get these in your purse, and when you're at the stoplight, you can just take this, put it right here, and take your finger and go like that. Done! So easy. I really like these. The fifth set of choices starts with the Aromatherapy Associate Deep Relax Roller Ball for $29. You guys know how I feel about that. Here it is. I've not opened it. Me and aromatherapy, if this is the first time here, I don't like it. I can't stand the smell. There's a funny story about me and aromatherapy that my daughter could tell you, but no, I don't get along with it. Here it is. So that's a product I never used. I'll be passing that on to my mom, who actually does like that. But you could also choose from the Wander Beauty eye patches. These are gold eye patches that are really good, I've heard. I've not tried them myself. Or Skin and Company Roma Truffle Face Toner. I'm just thinking that might be good because I've had skincare with truffle in it before. As I said, I don't know. But now let me tell you about 3 choices I'm really excited about, and that would be the ones that everybody gets. The first one is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Care for $30. Here it is. I've used this already. Love it. So as you can hear, you just shake that well. And then it says, work a small amount of product into hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Then you just style your hair. This stuff feels really good in my hair. It doesn't weigh it down. A lot of treatments that you'll put in your hair for damaged hair or because your hair is really dry or whatever, when you put it in, sometimes, not since I've had gray hair, but I have had some that are just too much. They make your hair limp and then you can't do anything with them. Not so with this. I put this in my hair. I did my hair. It felt great and I was able to style it perfectly. And it's from Aveda, which I love Aveda. The next thing are the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. I love this. Now, in my last Empties video, I alluded to or hinted that I wasn't going to be missing or trying to get that charcoal scrub that I had, and it was in a FabFitFun box, and I really liked it. But this, now, when I first saw this, I thought, this is going to be like those steamer things. You're going to get in the shower, you're going to put this cube in your hand, and it's going to dissolve away before you can use it. No, this. Guys, I want to eat this because it smells like candy. It looks like candy. It's squishy like candy. So what you do, I've done this already, and I was super amazed. I went over my body twice with this. You put this in your hand, and then you get it wet, and then you just rub it all over your body. It does exfoliate, and like I said, it lasted the whole shower. I went over my body twice. Yes, winner, winner, chicken dinner. I love this so much. The last thing then is this. It's the Human and Kind Body Souffle. Let's put some on right now. This is really moisturizing, but not greasy. Don't you love it when you get a moisturizer that like just hangs around being greasy? This doesn't. It makes your skin feel really soft, like the Bum Bum Cream. It doesn't smell anything like the Bum Bum Cream. It has a totally different smell that I do love. But it, like, your skin just drinks this in. Doesn't leave an oily feel on your skin. Feels really good. I do love it. And this is $18. So you get 6.76 ounces. I had never heard of Human plus Kind, but I really like it. I'm a fan now. All right then, what do you think? Do you think that all of that stuff was worth $49? Because I sure do. Or you go, wait, $39 if you're not already subscribed to FabFitFun. Just use this code and then you can get all of that or any of the other choices that I had, for $39. That's a heck of a deal, right? It is. All right, then, before we take off, I want to say once again, thank you so much, Fritzy family. If it wasn't for you, well, I wouldn't get anything. Nobody would ever pay attention to me. So thank you so much. I love you, and you are the best part of the Fritzy family. Don't let anybody tell you any different. If you aren't having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye, and I'm out.
Really? Oh, I forgot to block. Everybody's on the same page. We are not, Megan. Only you have this cover. Dear future husband, wait a minute, I already have a husband. I can't sing that one. How about, because you know I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. Or you could choose a mystery item, which is guaranteed to be $40. As you can probably tell by looking at him, I clearly have makeup all over me. What in the world? Clearly I had makeup all over my hands. Don't look! Or the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. Body Boost. So, winner, chicken dinner with mashed potatoes and gravy, green beans with bacon in them. Oh, where are you? You're off in Eat Land. No, I'm not going to do that. No, I don't know. It does have an equal Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving, but you lie, baby. Your lips are moving. No, I'm not lying. Nobody lies here.